Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel are beneficial or helpful when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave a emoji in the comment section if you want to see more of these types of videos. So today's translation is how to say good afternoon in Twi, and I'll also explain the various responses depending on who is asking you the question. So there's a long and a short version for good afternoon. So good afternoon. Me mawo aha. Me mawo aha. Me mawo aha. Me mawo aha. Or the short version, Maaha. 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 Me mawo aha. Me is me, my, or I. Ma is to give. Ma is to give. Wo is you. Wo is you. So it's like saying, I give you afternoon, or I give you an afternoon's greeting. Me mawo aha. Me mawo aha. Or Maaha. 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 And how you would respond to that. So, depending on who's asking you the question, if it is an older man that is asking you that question, an older man, an elderly man, you would respond by saying, Yaa Agya. Yaa Agya. Yaa Agya. If it is an elder or older female, it would be Yaa Ɛnua. Yaa Ɛnua. Yaa Ɛnua. If it is someone that is your peer or your sibling, it would be Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. Ɛnua literally means sibling. Yeah, sibling. Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. And if it's someone younger than you, your child, someone else's child, someone younger than you, it would be Yaa Oba. Yaa Oba. Yaa Oba. Oba is a child. Yaa Oba. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.